Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another Photo Nation video. Hey, today I'm gonna take pictures of my daughter. She's on the volleyball team. They just won the championship. She wanted me to take some pictures, and I just wanted you to see that you don't need a large studio space like I would normally use to take pictures. You can do it in your home. You can do it in a spare bedroom. You don't need that much space. And I'm gonna use one background, but I'm gonna use different colors on that background, so it should be pretty cool. Make sure you watch it to the end. Let's do it.
You are entering Photo Nation.
I have my main light, or key light over here on the left. And what I need to do is check the lights. And the way I do that, it's with my light meter. I'm at 1/25 of a second at f8, 400 ISO. So I'm gonna use my Minolta light meter, come right over here, and to the light and fire it. And it gives me a f-stop reading. Let's do it once more just to check it. It's telling me f8, 1/25 of a second, 400 ISO. So that's what we're gonna use. Now, I have my camera set at 1/25 of a second, f8, 400 ISO. And before I do that, I need to color correct the light. So I'm using what's called an expo disc. Okay, the way the expo disc works is I have to set my camera to custom white balance, which is the pre on Nikon. And it's gonna color correct all my images. Because most of the bulbs that you get inside of the lights, they sell you the cheap lights. They don't give you the custom correct light. So you have to do a custom white balance on it. So we're gonna put the white there. I'm gonna go to pre, make sure it's good. It's blinking, put it there, point it here, take a picture, and it's flashing good. I know you can't see it, but it's flashing good. So that means it's good, it's ready to go. All right, you can go ahead and stand up there, young lady. So let's practice some poses. So let's try one like this. Yep, let's just do that. Watch your hand, like you can't be holding your... All right, you ready? All right, so what I'm gonna do is just take one here, and we're gonna look at it. And I'll flash them on the screen as we do them, show you what it looks like. I think your head should be tilted back more and not so much that way. Let's do it again. Perfect, 1 and 2. Great. Did you close your eyes? Let's check that. No, I think we got it. It looks nice. Come on, give me another pose. Is that what you want? All right, here we go. Okay, put the ball on the ground and just put your hands on your hip. That's okay. It's the same. All right, that's perfect. Looking at me. Just tilt your head this way a little bit. Right there. Perfect. Looking right at me. Right on, 2, 1, and 2. Great. All right, so what other poses do you normally do? Hey, don't mess up my floor. Don't mess it up. Hey, is she messing up my floor? Don't mess up my floor. Let me just do close up. Just hold it. under your arm or something like that. I'm just gonna do some close-ups. I'm just gonna do that, I mean. Okay, let me see how Mike can get it. Got it. Stop and turn towards the light. Want to make sure you're in the light good. All right, go ahead and do it.
The same thing?
Yeah, do the same thing. Just do it again. Okay, bring the ball down lower then. Yep, and do it with two. Okay, perfect. Stay there. I'm just gonna do it closer. Okay, got it. You want to sit down? All right, so she's gonna sit down now, and I have to actually lower the light because she's gonna be sitting or the light will go over her head. So we're gonna lower the light down. Turn your face towards me just a little more. All right, tilt your head this way. Yep, looking at me. Perfect. Let me just do a close-up right there. Turn your face, you're right, like that, perfect. That way I can get light in your face. Perfect. Ready? Okay, I'm not getting enough light. All right, so I'm not getting enough light on her left side. So I'm gonna add a reflector in. And let's see here. Just to put some more light in her face. I normally would have a light behind the camera, but since I don't want much light to hit my background, I'm just gonna put in a reflector here. And if I put it here, the light should bounce from the main light here and back into her face. So let's see. Much better. Much better. Okay, ready? All right, here we go. 1 and 2. That's good. All right, turn your face this way more. Get your face, chin down a little bit. Perfect. Big smile, big smile. You just won your tournament. You ready? You happy? You won the tournament. That's nice. Nice. And I'm getting good light on your left side because of the reflector. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna bring it just a little more this way. And some of that light will bounce and bounce into your hair. Try your hands on your hip. Let's try that. Yep. Why not? I like it. Perfect. Looking good. We have beautiful light on your face. 4:1 lighting ratio. The transition zone is really nice. Camera right, but you're on your left side. Okay. Let's do something different. Stay there. All right, here we go. Hold your back up straight. Stay there. I'm gonna do one more. I'm gonna do one this way. Got it. All right, so we're just gonna do one more thing. I wanna match the background with the color she has on. And I'm gonna use this light right here. Normal light, such low power light. And I can make the background white. As a matter of fact, let's just do one white and we'll change. And I have these filters that's different colors. Go ahead and sit there and let's do one with the white. And we'll change the background to white. All right, so that made a white background. All right, perfect, that's perfect. So we got a white background. Now I'm gonna put this green filter on. And it's gonna change it to green. It's gonna match what she has on. I think she give me a really good pose because this is one you're gonna like because it's gonna match the color you have on. Turn your face this way. Perfect like that. All right, on to 1 and 2. That's really nice, and it's got green on it. That's perfect. You ready? It's trying to focus. That's perfect. That's perfect. But I need to bring my reflector back. So let's bring this back in. Let's bring it back in and put it back here. Let's bring it up a little more here. All right, let's just do the same one. And we can do all of them looking just like that. It's gonna be really cool. Ready? 1. Like it. Yeah, relax your shoulder. Turn your face towards me. Just perfect. Now looking right at me. Perfect. 1 and 2. Are you looking at me? I'm just gonna do one of each one of the colors that I have. Before I bought those caps, it was just, some of you may be too young to remember, your folders had separators in it, and it was that thin, waxy looking paper, and it was just different colors. We used to use that. All right, ready? Okay, that's fine. Turn your face towards me just a little bit. Yep, perfect. All right, on to 1 and 2. Great. Actually, don't look bad. That gold looks pretty nice. You like it? Okay, so I think you're gonna like the blue. The red is always gonna be my favorite. We're gonna do a blue right now. Yeah, red is gonna be my favorite. Turn your face towards me. Perfect. More. Yep. Ready? 1 and 2. Okay. Got the blue. Let's do the red. The red I'm gonna like. Can you go ahead and sit up and do what you were doing? Because that's gonna probably be my favorite. I think that'll be one for the wall. Turn your face towards me. All right, right there. Perfect. 1 and 2. Big smile. Hey! I love it. That's it. That's all. That's all you get. All right, y'all. That's gonna do it. I'm getting tired. She has to go to school tomorrow, so that's it. All right, guys. That was just a quick setup, a quick shoot for my daughter. She wanted to get pictures today. It just had her last game Thursday. They won the game. Yay! So, hey. Easy little setup right here in my home, right in the living room. One light, one reflector, and the camera's all you need. Hey, we'll see you in the next one. All right, guys, you made it to the end. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you got something out of it. And make sure you look in the description to get our free off-camera lighting ebook. Go get it and use it. And then while you're there, I'll have all of the descriptions and the numbers that I use for this particular shoot. And I'm giving away a copy of one of my books, Mastering Light, for a studio. Hey, I'm gonna give it away to one of the best comments to this video. And again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.